Personal loan rates are lowest for values ranging from £7,500 to £15,000, and in some situations up to £25,000. When it comes to borrowing to cover larger ticket needs like a new car, home upgrades, a vacation, or wedding, obtaining the most competitive personal loan available to you can be a wise and cost-effective way to go. We conducted some research to find the best deals on personal loans of this size, which we have shared now. Remember that the rates you see are indicative. This implies that depending on your credit score and particular circumstances, so maybe you could be offered more. My name is Tristan and welcome to the businesssnap.net channel. Please subscribe and share this video, and don't forget to click the bell notification. Start with M&S Bank. On loans of this size, M&S Bank gives a sample annual percentage rate of 2.8%. The rate is available for loans with terms of up to 7 years. Furthermore, while existing M&S clients, current account, loan, or cardholders can be advertised a more favorable set of loan rates, there is no difference in this level of borrowing. Overpayments are free, however. Penalties apply if you pay off your entire loan early. M&S do not charge for late or missed payment fees, but though your credit score will be affected. Apply to see if you are eligible for a loan and what interest rate you might be offered. Here are the pros and cons. TSB Bank. TSB is a strong rival for personal loans with no late fees and a flat 2.8% annual percentage rate. The same 2.8% applies to borrowings of up to £25,000 as well. If you are approved, you will be able to take 2 consecutive 1-month repayment holidays every 12 months. Existing TSB current account customers who have had their accounts open for more than 3 months can access their funds as soon as the next day. You can overpay on your TSB loan at no extra cost, although the lender charges a fee for early repayment in full. Here are the pros and cons. Santander. Santander's sample annual percentage rate of 2.8% on personal loans ranging from £7,500 to £15,000 is available to both new and current clients with terms ranging from 12 months to 5 years. Bank personal loans provide for no interest lump sum overpayments. However, there are penalties if you repay the loan in full before the agreed-upon timeframe. If something goes wrong with your Santander loan, there are no late payment penalties, though your credit score may be affected. Here are the pros and cons. Kahoot, a part of Santander, offers a typical annual percentage rate of 2.8% on personal loans ranging from £7,500 to £15,000. The rate is offered to both new and existing customers who want to borrow for a period of 1 to 5 years. Overpayments on your Kahoot loan are free. However, the lender levies a fee for early return in full. There is also no penalty for late payments, although your credit score is likely to take a hit. Kahoot loans can also be serviced through its lending center once it is operational. Here are the pros and cons. MBNA. Although it is arguably better recognized for credit cards, MBNA's option for personal loans of this size is fairly priced at 2.8%. Every year, eligible employees can take up to 2 months off from work. Borrowing lengths of up to 7 years are possible, while the 2.8% rate is limited to a maximum of 5 years. There are costs for full early repayment, but there are none for merely paying extra off your balance. It's worth noting that Lloyds Bank is the sole provider of MBNA personal loans. Here are the pros and cons. Tesco Bank. Representative annual percentage rate for loans ranging from £7,500 to £25,000 are fixed at 2.8% at Tesco. While loan periods of up to 7 years are available, The 2.8% rate is limited to 5 years. If you want to repay your loan early at Tesco, you will be charged a fee, although regular and one-time overpayments are free. You don't have to be a Tesco Club Card holder, but it may benefit your application if you are, according to the lender's website. Here are the pros and cons. Virgin Money. The representative 2.9% annual percentage rate offered by Virgin Money pertains to loans ranging from £7,500 to £15,000 in size. Repayment lengths are usually between 1 and 5 years. If less than 50% of your loan is for the purpose of repaying an existing loan, you may be able to repay over a maximum of 7 years. Like many other loan providers, there is a penalty for repaying your loan early, but there is no charge for overpayments. Here are the pros and cons. Post Office. Post Office personal loans are accessible to all applicants with maturities of up to 7 years and a sample annual percentage rate of 3.1%. Choosing the shortest loan period you can reasonably afford, on the other hand, will result in paying less interest overall. If you want to repay the loan early at the post office, you will be charged a fee, but recurring and one-time overpayments are free. Here are the pros and cons. AA. AA provides lending rates as low as 3.2% on borrowings ranging from £7,500 to £15,000. If you're a member, the rate is significantly lower, at 3.1%. Both annual percentage rate are available on borrowing durations ranging from 12 months to 7 years, though choosing the shortest term you can comfortably afford is the most cost-effective. Late payment penalties are typically £12, but any harm to your credit score may be of greater concern. If you want to repay your loan early, you will be charged a fee, although recurring and one-time overpayments are free. The best stated annual percentage rate on personal loans between £7,500 and £15,000 that we uncovered throughout our analysis start at just 2.8%. Despite recent interest rate increases, this remains at historically low levels, aided by a healthy dose of lender competition. However, it's crucial to remember that this may not be the rate you're offered when you apply. More on that later.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get a notification. Business Snap. Finance and investing updates.